The concept assembly and transfer table is designed to help the single operator move even the largest workpieces into the case clamp with ease. Doing an initial assembly away from the front of the clamp keeps that area open for other operations. The table surface measures 27 1/2 wide by 102 long, the 102 being the approximate length of the clamp opening. The table is also cantilevered. It travels on roller bearings on the steel track, making it easy to transfer even the heaviest loads. For safety's sake and to make it easier to load and unload, the table locks into position at both ends of the track and unlocks by pushing a button. The rollers pneumatically extend to raise the workpiece off the table so they can be rolled into the clamping position. For more information on the concept loading table, case clamps, or dowel insertion and boring equipment, visit us